Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup your Gmail labels and filters, complete guide step by step clearly.
Open your web browser and navigate to Gmail. Log into your Gmail account using your credentials. Once in your inbox, locate the gear icon in the upper right corner.
Click on the gear icon to access the settings menu. Select See All Settings from the drop-down options. In the Settings menu, find and click on the Filters and Blocked Addresses tab. Take note of any filters you have created here. To back up your filters, you will need to export them. Scroll to the bottom of the Filters and Blocked Addresses section. Click on that export link next to the Search Filter options. A file, usually in XML format, will be downloaded to your computer. Next, navigate back to the Settings menu by clicking on the gear icon again. This time, select the Labels tab. Here, you can review all your existing labels. Take a screenshot of this page or note down the names of each label for your backup. To create a backup of your labels, you will manually need to replicate them on another platform. Now, consider using Google Takeout to save a comprehensive backup of your Gmail. Open a new tab and search for Google Takeout. Click the first link to go to the Google Takeout website. On the Takeout page, deselect all products initially. Scroll down until you find Mail. Check the box next to Mail. Next, click on All Mail Data Included. In the pop-up window, ensure that your labels are selected. Once confirmed, scroll down and click on Next Step. Choose your preferred delivery method for the backup archive. You can select to receive a download link via email. Continue by selecting the archive format. Then click on Create Export. An email will notify you when your backup is ready. To summarize, you have backed up your Gmail filters and labels. Now you are prepared with all your vital information safely archived. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.